Hello, kid. Well, have you seen the cartoon Popeye the Sailor Man? I'm sure you love it, right? Well, over here you saw Popeye was a sailor, and whenever he went for a voyage, while returning back, he used to get gifts for his family. So let's learn the different travelers and the voyages. So first, we have a story of Rohan. Now, Rohan belonged to a very rich family. This is his bed. You can see this is a wooden bed. The wood has been imported from China. Now, after he got up from the bed, he went for his breakfast, and there he had the fruit juice imported from New Zealand. The clothes that he used to wear were from India. Even he had a watch which was from Switzerland. Not only all of these, the car in which he traveled was made in Germany. And the phone which he used was from USA. Now, do you know where did Rohan live? Well, Rohan lived in India. But how come he got all of these different things from all of these different countries? It was possible because of trade. So, we can get different things from countries like China, USA, India, Germany, Switzerland and New Zealand with the help of trade. But how did it start? Let's find out that. Well, if you see that people always wanted to communicate with each other. They wanted to reach out to different places and form communications. But how did they start? Do you know? Let me tell you. Well, in the old days, they used to go by walking. So they walked from one place to another and made friends. So in this way, they could go from one place to another. Now, after walking, a major revolution happened when the wheel was invented. Well, with the help of wheels, now they can make different kinds of carts, with the help of which they could go from one place to another. But there were some people, the travelers, who wanted to travel from one place to another so that they could know more about the places, the countries and form the trade relations. But earlier, people were scared as well because they thought the world is flat. So after going at a particular distance, they might fall off. So what happened next? Well, there were some warriors who did not get afraid of the fact that the world is flat, and they went on voyages. Now, let's know what is a voyage. Well, a long journey involving travel by sea is called voyage. So what is a voyage? Voyage is a long journey involving travel by sea. So let me tell you the three important voyages which helped in flourishing trade. So the first person we have is Christopher Columbus. What's his name? Christopher Columbus. Now let's see how he did his voyage. Well, Christopher Columbus set out from Europe through the sea route, but it was not at all easy. He had to travel for a long time, and the mighty seas were not very much cooperative. But still, he went on and on because he was fearless and he wanted to find out something new. So, do you know what did he find out? Well, you'll be surprised to know he found out the Americas. That is the American continent, North America and South America. So, Christopher Columbus discovered Americas through voyage. So, this was the sea route between Americas and Europe, which was discovered by Christopher Columbus. So, I have a question for you. Christopher Columbus discovered option 1 Americas, option 2 Asia, or option 3 Australia? Let me tell you. Well, Christopher Columbus set out from Europe and through the sea route he found out Americas. So Americas is the correct option and Asia and Australia are wrong options. Now, after him, there is another great traveler whose name is Vasco da Gama. He also did a memorable voyage, which is still now remembered by all of us, and his voyage took a great turn in the flourishing of trade. So, what did he do? Well, he discovered sea route from Europe to India. So, while he did the voyage, he discovered the sea route from Europe to India. And do you know trading of which items began? Well, he mainly flourished the spice trade. So, there were spices which he took from India to Europe. So, in this way, there was a trade relation built between Europe and India. Now, finally, we have a person whose name is Ferdinand Magellan. The voyage taken by him was also very difficult, but it proved something so important that help us even today in our studies. Well, he started from the left side of Europe through the Pacific Ocean. He kept on moving further and further, and then you know what happened? Well, he came back to his starting point from the right side of Europe. So, this was very important because he saw that while he continued traveling, he came back to his starting point, that is in Europe. Do you know what does this mean? Well, this means that the world is round. Previously, people believed that the world is flat, but that is incorrect. Actually, the world is round, and this was proved by Ferdinand Magellan. So, let's revise the 3 important voyages which helped in flourishing trade. First, we have Christopher Columbus, who discovered the Americas. Next, we have Vasco da Gama, who discovered the sea route from Europe to India. And finally, we have Ferdinand Magellan, who proved that the world is round. So, these are only 3 voyages that I have spoken. If you are interested to know more about them, you can always read the books that have been written on these voyages and many more. So, in this way, you will come to know how trade and voyages are interlinked and how by doing the different voyages, trade flourished during old days. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.